important to clean your BBP35 or BBP37 sign and label printer on a regular basis. A good rule of thumb is to clean after every other roll of supply. You will need clean cotton or foam cleaning swabs and a bottle of isopropyl alcohol. These items are included in a cleaning kit when you purchase the printer, although you do need to obtain your own IPA. If you prefer avoiding a bottle of liquid, swabs that are pre-soaked with IPA are available for purchase. For cleaning sensors in the cutter blade, you will also need phillips and flathead screwdrivers. First, we'll cover how to perform the regular cleaning of the printhead and the tape feed pathway area. Open the printer's cover and remove both the label material and the ribbon cartridge. To clean the printhead, rub a clean pre-soaked swab over the green and black printhead and surrounding area with focus on the leading edge. You may need to repeat this process to remove adhesive buildup. It is important to use a clean swab that is free from any debris that could damage the printhead. You'll also want to make sure you clean the platen roller, the feed rollers, and the optical sensors beneath the media guides, located here and here. Next, clean the black rubber platen roller, wiping off any dust or buildup from the roller. To get to the back side of the roller, you may advance the roller manually with your thumb. You may need to apply liberal pressure to advance the roller. At this time, you should also examine the other free spinning rollers and remove any buildup or debris. To clean the tape feed sensors, remove the gray media guide covers with a screwdriver. Remove the screws and lift off the gray guide, exposing the sensor. Repeat this process for the other sensor. Rub a soaked swab underneath the overhang on both the lower and upper surfaces beneath the overhanging plastic. Be careful not to drip alcohol into the printer. Replace both gray media guide covers and fasten in place by tightening the screws. Another area of your printer that will need occasional cleaning is the blade that cuts off the tape. This cutter is beneath a side panel and internal roller, so we'll need to remove those first, and you'll need to have a medium flathead screwdriver handy. To remove the side panel, open the printer cover and from the inside of the printer, locate the two release catches on either side of the exit chute area, and use the flathead screwdriver to release the tab on the end panel from each side. Pull the panel out. Next, remove the black roller covering the blade area by depressing the tab away from the roller to release the catch. Do this on both sides of the roller and then lift the roller out and clean the cutter area. While you're at it, it's also good practice to clean the sensor that's in this area. Adhesive can build up on the ribs of the exit chute as well. To return the roller to its original position, align the back tabs with the insertion slots and snap the roller into place. To replace the gray panel, hook the 3 loops over the blue tabs, press in on the lower tabs on either side of the panel, then push the panel up into place. Once the cleaning process is complete, you can replace the label material and print ribbon and close your printer.